Guess what day it is, y'all? It's day 2 for the 12 days of Christmas cookies. And I love this time of year when I get to make all the cookies that I don't normally make during the year. So for day 2, I am going to make a chocolate orange cranberry cookie. Okay, y'all, my phone was ringing, so I went to answer it, but I'm back. And we've got our butter. We've got an 8-ounce package of cream cheese. Now, you know it's a good cookie if it's got butter and cream cheese, right? All right, I'm going to add my sugar. I'm going to add my egg. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Lulu, come eat your breakfast. She is just begging y'all for a treat. And I don't like to give it to her until she eats her breakfast. But she's wanting no part of breakfast. So you know what? She's going to win. She's going to win, Teresa. She is going to win.
When doesn't she?
Well, she wins all the time. Is this what you want? Is this what you want? Is that what you want? Yes, ma'am. You know that's what I want, Mama. Whoa. Oh, she's a spoiled brat, y'all. She's a spoiled brat. And she rules this house. All right, so we're going to beat this up real good. Now, the recipe will tell you to add the orange zest. We need about a teaspoon of orange zest, but I don't like to put my zest in when I'm using the mixer because the zest gets all caught up in the beaters, and I don't want to lose one little piece of my zest because to me that's where the flavor is. I'm just going to run this around and make sure we get every bit of it mixed up. And I was telling you I don't like to put my zest in when I'm using this. So I'm going to zest and I'll stir it in at the last. And you know what? I think I'm going to put a little orange extract in it too, because I do love the orange flavor. Now, you certainly don't have to do this. We're about out of orange. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right. You just want to mix that until it's well blended. And then I have my flour over here, and I believe it's all-purpose, yeah. So I'm going to add some salt to it. And just whisk that together. And I'm going to slowly kind of add it to my wet ingredients, like maybe 4 different times. But we don't want to overbeat. You know, we just want to mix it well. Okay, I added all the flour. Now I'm going to zest my orange. And I got zesters at a couple of different sizes. And you might know that this is not the size I like. This is I got one that's bigger. You know, you can get your zesters in different sizes. But this one is good because it's...
I didn't know it does zesters in different sizes.
Yeah. You know, this one is a good one for like oranges and lemons because it's not deep enough to get the pith, you know.
Mm-hmm. Smells amazing.
Uh-huh. Does that look like a teaspoon to you, Teresa?
Yeah, I said maybe a little bit more.
Yeah.
But you also added in the orange.
I added in the orange extract too.
So you might want to taste it before you add more.
See, that zest will get lost. And I don't want any lost zest. Not on my watch. All right, now I know y'all thinking, Paula, you said this is a chocolate orange. Where's the chocolate? Where's the chocolate? It's right here. And we're fixing to stir in our chocolate chips. Looks like about a cup, but you can do as much or as few as you want. Okay, stir that in real good. So you see what I'm talking about. Most of it would wind up in those beaters, and I don't like it that way. Okay, so in goes our chocolate chips. Okay, this looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I like this recipe because it doesn't make like 2,000 cookies, you know? I'm gonna spray so hopefully the dough won't stick to it. That's a neat little trick, y'all. Spray in your dauber thing. I don't know what Teresa just called me.
What did I call you, Paula?
You know what she just called me, y'all? She called me stingy.
Why did I call you stingy?
Because you said, please leave some dough for me.
That's not very much.
And look,
sugar.
I didn't even use this. So look how much. Look how much dough you done. I can make another cookie with that.
But no.
She loves raw cookie dough. And she loves them baked too. Both ways. All right, 350 for 12 minutes, y'all. Okie doke, y'all. This is the finished product. And I just gobbled down one. And they're so good. And I'm so glad that I added the orange extract, Teresa, because it gives it that one more little kick to having that orange. And look at all those chocolate chips. And you know, some nuts would be good in this cookie too. But a lot of my grandchildren don't like nuts. So I need to make a cookie once in a while that's not nutty. But I love the orange flavor with the chocolate. And of course, those chips, they just squish in your mouth because they're still warm. So that completes day 2 of the 12 cookies of Christmas. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.